Welcome to this short introduction to the content phase of the app building process. Default screens, as well as those you create and save, appear here. Whenever a new screen is created and saved, it'll be added to the right of the last saved screen. The work that's being done to add content to a screen is displayed in the gray box in the center of the workspace. The editor itself is at the right side. Here is where the actual work is done. To open a new template, click the Add Screen button and follow the prompt. A new template is ready to be built, whether it's an HTML-based screen, a custom template, or whatever. To preview a screen, click this button. It opens a simulator. Notice that comments can be made and shared, much like in a Google document. To preview the entire app, click the Preview button at the bottom. Finally, you can switch to either of the other two phases by just clicking on it. You're now ready to learn about the different templates and how to build your content.